I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mini Cooper bumper. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your Mini is on a stable, level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. For electrical safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Having the right tools, such as a complete Torx bit set and a plastic trim removal tool, will make this process much smoother and prevent damage. Let's start with the front bumper. First, you'll need to access the fasteners hidden behind the wheel arch liners. Use your Torx bit set to remove the screws holding these liners in place. Once the liners are out, you will see additional fasteners connecting the bumper to the vehicle's body, often near the fender. Gently unclip or unscrew these. Remember to carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors before proceeding. With the initial fasteners and electrical connections handled, move to the underside of the car. You'll find several bolts or screws securing the lower edge of the bumper to the chassis. Remove these carefully. Once all fasteners are free, gently but firmly pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle. It might feel snug due to clips, but avoid excessive force. Once detached, immediately place the bumper on a soft blanket or cardboard to protect its finish. Removing the rear bumper follows a similar principle, though fastener locations differ. You'll typically need to remove the taillight assemblies to access hidden bolts. Inside the trunk, you might also need to remove some trim panels to reach additional securing points. Just like the front, remember to disconnect any electrical connections for license plate lights or parking sensors. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the rear bumper straight back to detach it from your Mini Cooper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.